This video is going to go more in depth on how to create assignments in your Google Classroom. So you'll log into your classroom and then click on classwork. From here, you'll click this create option, just like we did for topics. And then you're going to select one of these options below. So most frequently I use assignment. You can also do a quiz assignment or anything like that. I like assignment because you can add multiple everything basically right there. So it kind of encompasses all of those. First, you would start off by titling your assignment. So if you want to do like the date and then student assignments here, then you'll type in your instructions like 1, 2, 3, add whatever message that you want for them. Here's where you're going to add previous things that you already have or links, or you can create from here if you would like. So add would be some examples of like Google Drive. So if I have a slideshow that I want my students to type on or view, I'm going to add it from here. So this is something that I've already created in my Google Classroom. So it could be a quiz, it could be a slideshow. I'm going to type in just an example of something. So this is a slideshow of what my students are doing in class right now. I could have it so my students can just view the file. So that means they can't edit it in any way. All they can do is just look at it. If I want to change that, I could change it to students can edit file. That means every student in your class could make adjustments to that one document. This would be used if you want, for example, to create like one slide and have everyone type their response on that same exact slide. I don't use that as frequently as make a copy for each student. So make a copy for each student means everyone is going to have their own individual assignment and they can edit their work, but they can't change anybody else's, and they won't change your original copy. So this is going to make a new copy automatically for everyone and save it in their drive. The next thing that you can do is add a link. So this would be if you want to add a link to, let's say, like a website. So you want your kids to be able to use a website. You would copy that link in your browser, type it there, and then click add link, and it'll automatically pop up. As you notice, you can add more than one link or assignment file. You can mix and match underneath. So this is really nice because you can have everything your kids need for the day right there. You can add a YouTube video. So you can either search something, or if you already have the URL for the YouTube video, you can just copy that and then paste it right into your assignment. So it's going to add it right there, and then the kids will watch it. So once you're done adding whatever you want the students to add or have access to, this is where you're going to select who sees the assignment. So which class you want it to go to. Again, if you have more than one class, you can select them here. Which students you would like it assigned to. In my demo class, I don't have any students underneath here. So it's going to go to all students. If I want it graded, how many points, or I could also click ungraded, the due date and time. And then if you want it to live under a certain topic. So if this is a math assignment, I could have it go under math assignments. You can also add in a rubric. If you want to add in a rubric for grading, you can do that here as well. Once you're done, you will click assign. And then it'll pop up underneath here. So now students will be able to see this topic, and then they will see the assignment here. You can see this one up here is a draft. So you could create assignments but not assign them yet. So what that looks like is, instead of clicking assign right away, I don't know why this is going slow all of a sudden, but instead of clicking assign right away, you could click to just save it as a draft. So maybe you're preparing an assignment for tomorrow, but you don't want to post it yet. You can save it and then later go back and edit it like you saw me do. You'll click the 3 dots and click edit, and then you could assign it and post it from there. So that's what this looks like: schedule or save it as a draft. If you're not quite done with it yet, or if you want it to post at a certain date and time.